Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye, and we are the TheRcSaylors. Today is a very special video for us and for you guys and the channel all together, because we have gotten, this just came in the mail, and it has taken a while for us to get this. This box
What
is
could it be?
probably one of the most special boxes that we will ever open.
And we haven't opened it yet.
We did cut the little sticker off that had shipping info on it, but that's it. No tape has been cut.
And he wanted to open it. We got it a couple days ago.
Yeah.
And he was about to open it, and I said, no. I said, that's not fair to our subscribers. The reason we got this, we have to open it in front of you. So the seal has not been broken. We have not seen this at all.
100%. The last 5 years in the making, we couldn't have this box if it wasn't for you guys. And I just couldn't be more sincere when I say thank you so much to help us achieve this goal. So we wanted to share this moment with you. And a lot of you guys know what this means. I mean, you've probably got a hint from the title. You probably already know what's in here, but there are some people that watch our channel that only watch our channel, believe it or not, which we think is crazy. Thank you. But if you don't know what's in this box and you're watching us on YouTube right now, YouTube does a very special thing for channels when they hit 100,000 subscribers. We know we're at like 120,000 subscribers now. There's a delay.
How long did it take? 3
or 3 months, something like that. Yeah, it's taken a while. That's okay. You know, we're patient people. But YouTube does a very special thing. They send you a plaque, kind of. And
play button, Nathan.
I know. But people that don't watch a lot of YouTube might not know that.
It's
so
a play button.
It's a silver play button. So this should be, because we've never gotten anything that says from YouTube before.
If it's not, then we just wasted our time.
Who knows? This should be our silver play button.
It says fragile on it, and it says YouTube on it. And the shipping said from YouTube. So.
How's about I cut the tape, but you take it out of the box? Is that a fair trade?
I don't care.
You've been just as much, and Popeye too. He's right at our feet, he's chewing on a toy.
Right down there.
He's kind of wore out today. It's actually kind of a warm day, but super windy, so we couldn't film anything outside. And then when this came, we just thought this is going to be the perfect video to share with everybody. I couldn't believe the weather today. It was actually
80 degrees today. We're from that's unheard of.
Yes, in February. So just seemed like perfect timing to do this video with you guys. You can thank Abby for not letting me open this. It says YouTube inside.
Nathan has said numerous times that this means more to him than his college degree.
It does. I probably shouldn't admit that to everybody, but it does.
It's a big moment. All right, so we're opening it. It says YouTube. It's all sealed up.
That's just
right
cardboard.
down here, there's a sticker that says TheRcSaylors with what looks to be like an order number.
Wow. I didn't think this channel, I never thought this would happen. Did you? Look at this, guys. Did you ever think our channel playing with RC stuff?
It's making me nervous.
I didn't know if I'd need it again.
No, I don't think you do. Unless
did you ever think that we would have 100,000 subscribers? We've already had a celebration video of 100,000 subscribers, and we did a special giveaway.
This is like the official,
yeah.
YouTube has to actually go through, verify that all your subscribers are legit.
Yeah.
That's why it takes so long. Okay, you get this side.
If they missed that 100K video, they should totally watch it. It was a lot of fun. It's linked up there.
Okay, you get that side.
Oh my gosh.
Let's not break it.
This is crazy. Okay, the lid is off.
Okay, the lid's off.
Okay, there's foam.
All right.
And some stuff.
YouTube! You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your YouTube channel.
That's crazy.
Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You getting sad?
No, I'm just like soaking it all in. This is so crazy.
Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, the CEO of YouTube.
Crazy.
Okay, so still we have not seen this. Popeye, he likes this award better.
All right, are we gonna do this together?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay, get some foam.
Ready?
Yeah.
2, 1.
Oh, oh my gosh, that's a silver play button. Oh,
yeah,
wow.
The TheRcSaylors, congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers.
Oh my gosh. It's so crazy to see it here in physical form. Wow.
Sure, that's it.
Look at that.
That's it.
They did a good job packaging that. I would, if this was a drone unboxing, I'd give them an A+ rating. Wow.
That's awesome.
Look at that, Abby. I can see us in it. Look at you guys. Can you see you in the play button? Wow.
That's so awesome.
They spelled our name right.
They spelled the name right.
Congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers.
Yay.
YouTube. Wow! Isn't that amazing?
That is awesome.
Wow!
All because of you guys. It really
Yeah.
is. It's so incredible. Look!
Good job, buddy. High five. Good job. He did it. So this, we'll have to find a special place to hang this up, and maybe someday when we're flying FPV through the house, you guys will see this hanging up in our house.
Yeah.
It's a very, very proud moment for us.
And we had to share it with you guys. There's no better way to open this play button than right here with you.
That's exactly right. This is such a special moment to us. This is us. This is our channel. We do a lot of videos on this couch talking to you guys, and so this just seems super appropriate for us. We highly respect that they do this, and I love that we have this now, and we're going to take care of this for us and for you guys, because this is all because of you. So that's what this video is, just a very special time paused, just a timeout to do this with you. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Nice. Yay. And we're already at 120,000 subscribers, so
it's crazy. I cannot
who knows
believe it.
what the future will hold with the TheRcSaylors.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!